Okay, so this is a reteach for the conversions. Remember, these are the questions that were on your benchmark, so you make sure that you are working through them and listening to the video because it's going to help you with your retest. So make sure that you look at your grade before you come and watch this video and take notes in order for you to get a better grade on your test. So make sure that you watch this video, take notes on it, and write down whatever you can. So the first question you saw was number 16. It says Tessa bought a new phone charger that has a 7,500 meter long cord. Which of the following is equivalent to 7,500 meters? So remember, you got to use your reference material. So when you're using your reference material, remember you have to make sure that you are looking at the reference material. Remember, if you're going from top to bottom, it's multiplication. From bottom to top is division. Left to right is multiplication. Right to left is division. So we're going to go ahead and look for meters, and they're converting it to centimeters. So I'm going to look at meters and centimeters. So it's right here. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So that means because we're going from meters to centimeters, that means we're going to multiply. So if we have, 75 hundredths times 100. And remember, when you're using mental math, because there is 2 zeros, you're going to move the decimal 2 times to the right, or you could just multiply. So you have 0, 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 7 is 7. Have 2 decimal places, you have 2 decimal places, so your answer is 75 centimeters. So in this case, Tessa bought a phone charger that was 75 centimeters long. So go to the next question so you could continue watching this video. So again, using your reference material, remember top to bottom is multiply, bottom to top is divide, left to right is multiply, right to left is divide. So we're going to go ahead and read it. It says Mia is using a recipe that will make 4 quarts of chicken soup. How many pints of soup is Mia making? So we're looking for quarts and soup. So if you could look at it, it's right here. So that means we're going from quarts to pints. So quarts to pints, that means left to right, which is multiplication. So we're going to multiply here. So we have 4 quarts, so we have 4 quarts. 4 quarts. And I need to convert them into pints. So in this case, you're going to do times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So that means we have 8 pints. So remember, because we were going left to right, it's multiplication. So we have 8 pints of soup that Mia is making. So make sure that you are watching the whole video. Make sure that you go in, and remember, in order for you to find your answer, convert top to bottom. So large to small is multiplication, small to large is division. So that's what question number 1. So make sure you write that in. So go ahead and write that in, and then go to your retest. So your retest will be watching this video and doing the next 3 problems. So good luck on your retest.